Been cold, but packages showed up that are good people over at FridayParts.com. We upgraded the 2755 with the Friday Parts. So let me open one of these up. They are identical except for their LED. So we'll pop them out and see what we can make happen. Simply unscrew. These do come with ends. I do like having heat shrunk it. That's what I was looking for before. Plenty of extra wire, which is good. Old light, new light. Pretty bright, which is good. I like LEDs. Got both fronts good. Draw enough voltage that it gets super fast, but I like that. They're looking good. They go solid. But I'll turn the lights off and we'll just see. Oh yeah. Oh, you see it from here. Look at that. Appreciate Friday Parts hooking us up with lights and parts for our equipment. Goes a long way. Good visibility and those good marker lights. So very excited for that. If you're interested in anything from Friday Parts, hit the link down below. I will put the link for those lights as well. It's been absolutely awesome, as you see.